Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section. Here you have to find the line build number. Maybe baseband version, no. Okay, so here you have to find the number, align Legion OS, and tap it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find developer options in the general settings, and here they are. And here you can review them, get to know with all these options. As you can see, you have a lot of them. You can also disable them here, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.